Very good morning to all of you. Okay, so today I will take your English grammar class. Okay, and all of you, I am telling you that all of you please go through your offline YouTube classes, because I have done so many things over there and you need to check all of these. I am fine, dear Snigdha. How are all of you? Fine? Okay, and I am telling you once again that all of you go through your offline YouTube classes very well. I have done so many things over there. Okay, I have continued, and today I continue with the chapter. You can see chapter number 24, and but or. And but or. So open page number 66 of your grammar book. Page number 66 of your grammar book. First, let's understand where we will use and, but, or. Let's take the example from your book that where we will use and. First, let's see. We have bought apples and pears. We have bought apples and pears. Here you can see we joined the words by and here and, where we will use and when two words or two sentences are of the same category, then we join the sentence or words by the word and. You can see here and apples and pears comes in the category of fruits. Okay, right? So fruits. So when we join two words or two sentences of the same category, then we will join the words or sentences by and. Okay, and in case of but, let's see another example. The pears are cheap but the apples are costly. The pears are cheap but the apples are costly. Here you can see we have joined these two sentences by the word. Why you cannot see, Firoz? Cut the call and then rejoin, because from our side here it is no problem, dear. Okay? Yeah. Okay, completed. Very good. I am telling you once again, all of you just go through this. So, in the second sentence, the pears are cheap but the apples are costly. We can see two contradictory sentences, and by the words cheap and costly, these are two opposite words, opposite kind of a words. Okay. So, here if we want to join two contradictory sentences or words or meaning of the opposite meaning words or sentences, then we will join the words or sentences by the word but. Clear? Because you can see cheap and costly both are in opposite meaning, right? So when we like to join the sentences of the opposite meaning or the contradictory sentences, we will use but. Okay, and where we will use or, let's see. Do you want to eat an apple or a pear? If we take the sentence, do you want to eat an apple or a pear? Here it is saying that or we have used because we can see here it is saying to choose between two things, right? So here it is saying to choose between two things. Here it is saying two things, but it can be more than two also. But here in this sentence it is saying that we need to choose between apple or pear, means the two things. So in this case we will use or to join the words or sentences. You can see here that we need to choose between apple or pear. That's why we have used or. Okay, so let's see once again where we will use and, but, or. When we need to join two sentences or words of the same category, then we will use and. And when we need to join the sentences or words of the opposite meaning or contradictory sentences, then we will use but. And when we need to choose between two things or more than two things, here it is saying two things, so I am saying two things. So when we need to choose between two things, we will use or. Okay, so yes, we can see completed. Very good, all of you. So I am doing now, all of you please recheck it. Okay, so now can we proceed towards the exercises? All of you who have done, recheck it, and who have not done, please do with me. Okay, so I am erasing the board and I will do the exercises now. Okay, B part. I will just write the answers. Okay. So I have number 1. I have one brother and but one sister. So here the correct option is and. Right. Number 2. Yeah, correct. Very good. Number 2. I have one brother and but no sister. Yes, here it will be but. Number 3. Minnie is fast and but Ritu is fat. Minnie is fat and but Ritu is slim. Minnie is fat but Ritu is slim, right? But. Correct. Number 4. Is Geeta in class 1 and or class 2? It will be or. It is saying about to choose between two words, class 1 or class 2. It will be or. Is Geeta is in class 1 or class 2? Number 5. Is the jug full of water but or is the jug empty? It will, yes, again will be or. Correct. So number 5, is the jug full of water or is the jug empty? Number 6, which umbrella do you like? The white one and or the black one? Yes, it will again be or. Number 7, will you paint all pink and or light blue? Yes, again or is the correct option. Number 8, are those oranges sour or and sweet? Yes. So here again it will be or. Okay. So all of you have marked it in your book. I will do the next work. All of you have marked it. So I am erasing the board. Okay, so I am erasing the board and the next page. Yeah, right. Okay. Good. So I am erasing it. Purbayon, do not send what you have sent. Whatever, don't send this. Okay. Mute your microphone, all of you. Now come to page number 67. Here the C part, you can see we need to fill in the blanks with and or but. Let's do this. Number 1. She sat at the table dash wrote the letter. It will be and. Right? Number 2. Yeah. You can come to school. You can come to school by a school bus dash by your own car. It will be or by your own car. Yeah, correct. Ritoshri dear, page number 67 I have written on the board dear. So number 3, the elephant is big dash the mouse is small. It will be but. The elephant is big but the mouse is small. Number 4, tigers dash wolves are wild animals. It will be and of the same category. So it will be and. Tigers and wolves are wild animals. Number 5, you can have this chocolate dash this pen. You cannot have both. So it will be or again. Or. Yeah, right. You can have this chocolate or this pen. You cannot have both. Number 6, we have some milk dash no sugar. It will be but. Correct. And number 7, the cat is tried dash could not catch the mouse. The cat tried but the cat tried but could not catch the mouse. Okay. So number C part is also completed. All of you have written. I will do the next page. D part. Okay, all of you have done now. Okay, right. So I am erasing the board. Because D part I will do now. Okay, right, good. Page number 68. Okay. Here you can see in D part there are 3 stories and we need to fill in the blank and or blank with and or but. Okay. So let's read the story. First story. Shruti went to the market to buy jam dash butter. It will be and jam and butter. Right. She had only 30 rupees with her. In 30 rupees you can buy only one of them. Do you want jam dash butter? It will be jam or butter. Ask the shopkeeper. Dash mama needs both. It will be but. Yeah, but mama needs both, said Shruti. Sorry, said the shopkeeper, you cannot have both. Number 2. Ankit is an untidy boy. He plays in the dirt. Dash makes his clothes dirty. It will be and. One day his mother said to him, you should keep clean. Dash, other children will not play with you. It will be or. Dash Ankit did not listen to his mother. It will be but. Number 3. Third number story. The crow has black feathers dash dark intelligent eyes. It will be and dark intelligent eyes. The crow is a pretty bird dash nobody likes the crow. Yes, it will be but nobody likes the crow. The crow is a thief. It steals eggs dash even young birds from the nests of other birds. It will be and. It steals eggs and even young birds from the nests of other birds. Okay. So this is how the chapter is completed. All of you now give your present. Write your present in the chat box. No one will leave the class until I finish, okay? No one will leave or you will be absent. Arman, Samim, why you have joined in oak also? Sorry, pine also. You should be in pine. Oak. You have joined in oak, but you have rejoined in pine. Why? Okay, I have taken your present, all of you, and the chapter is also completed. And all of you, please go through your YouTube offline classes. Okay. So today is up to this. All of you have a nice day. Bye. Bye, all of you.